Alright, so what I have right here is a Zilog Z80 CPU. This is the LED for whether or not it's on read, or no, write. It's sort of in a reset state. So when I hit this, when it clocks the CPU, so when I clock it again, it goes out to this M1, which indicates that it's in the instruction fetch phase. I hit this again, that means it's trying to go out to, that it's trying to read on this address bus what the contents are on this data bus. And the data bus can be set, is set by these pins, by these tack switches here. And because on this data bus, it's all of these are 0, that means that the instruction is, that the instruction opcode is actually 00. And on the Z80, that is just the instruction to no op. So when I cycle the CPU a couple more times, like that, it does a binary counter, meaning it just reads from that data bus and it interprets it as a no op, and then it just increments the address that it's reading from. Now, what I might have mixed up, I might have the data bus, okay, I might have the data bus a little skiddly wampus. The data bus on the Z80 is a little bit confusing because they have it out of order from what you might expect, and I might just need to look it over again. But yeah, so that's in essence what it's doing. And putting that pin back in. So if what I do is an instruction like this. Now I need to figure out why it's not doing this, but there we go. I need to figure out why it's not doing this, but what it should be doing is when I cycle this, it should be going. There we go. It should be going back to 0, although it is not cooperating exactly. Now, granted, this point, neither of these are on output, are on read or write, so it's just a question of debugging. But it's working.